Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Ambassador of Russian Federation in New Delhi writes to India's External Affairs Ministry, seek proper probe into Russian death case. Forest officials get first breakthrough in tiger killing case, bones, fur and tooth of tiger recovered. Exclusive visuals with Prudent reveal an attempt to destroy the evidence. Goa bids Adeo to embuoy. People from all walks of life gather to salute this legend. Asian state Goans who go for jobs abroad. NRI survey says 52% of money goes to fraud agents. And it's less than a week for new academic year, but textbook shortage prevails this year too. Bookseller hope to receive adequate quota by next week. Now the news in detail. Consul General of Russian Federation in Mumbai, Alexander Mentesky, has informed media that Ambassador of Russian Federation in New Delhi has written a letter to India's External Affairs Ministry seeking proper probe into Russian girl's death case. Alexander has informed that he is not satisfied with the investigation in Elena Sukhonova's case. Alexander informed media that Ambassador of Russian Federation in New Delhi has written a letter to India's External Affairs Ministry in seeking proper probe into Russian death case.
Official note was written by the Embassy of the Russian Federation in New Delhi to the Ministry of External Affairs requesting to conduct thorough investigation of her death.
You also written letter to Chief Minister expressing your anxiety about the entire crime scenario in Goa.
You see, the matter is that it's routine work. As your embassies abroad, they should defend your citizens abroad as it's going now in Australia. The same is with us. We have to defend the rights of our citizens here in India, for example. That's why just I send this letter requesting to defend the rights of our citizens, not to give any particular that it's unsafe and so on and so on.
Alexander said that he is not satisfied with the investigation carried out in Elena's case. He said that he is waiting for definite results of the case.
The investigation is going on, but we are not satisfied with the results. We want to get definite answer, whether it was accidental or it was a killing or something else.
Alexander suggested that in coming season, Goa should create a safe atmosphere so that there are no complaints from domestic as well as international tourists.
Yes, there are some unsolved cases, but some of them were solved, and we hope that in the nearest future the rest of the cases will be solved. Best is to create such type of atmosphere in Goa next season that there should be no cases at all against crimes against foreigners or local citizens. I mean Indian citizens who come to Goa to rest.
However, Alexander said that Goa is a safe destination as far as tourism is concerned.
I feel that Goa is a safe destination, and we will promote the tourism between our two countries.
Advocate for Russian consulate in Goa, Advocate Vikram Verma, was also present. With video journalist Ganesh Hodkar, a reporter from Porvorim, Laukik Shilkar. Forest Department officials have found some bones, fur and tooth of a tiger 2.5 kilometers away from Keri village. Forest officials were investigating into tiger killing case where they traced these remains of tiger. They have also found out the exact place where tiger was killed. The visuals with Prudent Media also suggest an attempt to destroy the evidence. Have a look at this exclusive visuals with Prudent Media. The Forest Department jeep along with bunch members reached at Wadar to solve the tiger killing mystery. Wadar is the place on hilltop just 2.5 kilometers away from Keri village. They found the spot where tiger was killed. This is the exact place where tiger was killed. At this place, some fur of the tiger was found. 75 to 100 meters away from the killing spot, they found signs of burnt tiger. Here the tiger was burnt. And look at this. These are the crushed bones of tiger and the burnt tooth. The evidence found at the site was then sealed by forest officials in presence of Panch members. Subdivisional Forest Officer Subhash Hendrick said they have almost got all the evidence in the case.
Investigation in this tiger kill, we have found made a lot of inroad into the solving the case, and this is a very crucial time of giving out any details of what all we have traced. But the case is almost solved.
However, Deputy Conservator of Forest Trinath Kumar, who was also present at site, appealed media person to coordinate with Forest Department if they get any clue in the case.
Because now we cannot comment right now. Okay, we will tell all the details once it has come to some stage. Okay. Hope you media people should also cooperate with us, and you should give information to us whatever you get.
A reporter from Keri, Uday Parab. It's time to bid adieu to our most beloved theatrist M. Boyer. Final rites were carried on Tuesday. He was visited last by his friends at his residence in Rai and cremated at Our Lady of Snows Church.
Our most beloved theatrist and more loved comedian M. Boyer is no more with us. The soul of Konkani Theatre M. Boyer left us in tears on 30th May. The whole state was deeply grieved over his death. Final rites of cremation were performed on Tuesday. All renowned theatrists, his friends, relatives, and all his fans and others were present for the funeral. Speaker Pratap Singh Rane and GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar expressed their feelings about this legend.
तियात्राच्या स्टेजीर तो नाचतलोच परंतु हेरूय नांव बोयर सदांच रावतलें गोंयांत आनी हेर वाडीच्या जाग्यांत गोंयकारांत तेची आठवण सदांच रावतली.
And not only for the state of Goa, की आख्खे इंडियेचो हांव अशें म्हणून की एक बरो आर्टिस्ट आज आमच्या तेन्ना आनीक जो वॅक्यूम तयार जाला पळय तो परत भरून येवचें ना. चड करून गोंयकार लोक आसात ते बाब एम बोयराचें एब्सेंस जें आसा पळय तें सदींच फील जाता.
Prince Jacob expressed their emotions over the demise of his theatre veteran.
हे लॉस पडत जाला ते आमच्यांनी भरून काडून जावचें ना, कारण ताजो असलो कलाकार म्हाका दिसना ह्या फुडें उत्पन्न जायत म्हणून. एम बोयरान हे कोंकणी पालकार जायतो वावर केलो.